To charge your Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, let's open the actual settings on our device, as there's a few things that we should cover before we actually start to charge it. So if you open the settings, scroll down and look for the battery section. If we select that, we can go to the charging options, and then there's the wired charging mode, and we can activate a speed up, which will use the maximum charging power to charge your phone, and this should again charge it much quicker. But this will work on specific chargers, probably the highest one like 45 watts, which is the highest charging power available for this phone. So if you're planning on buying a charger for the best performance, you should get a 45 watts charger. Now to actually charge your phone, you will need a USB-C cable, which you need to connect to the charging port, and also that cable needs to be connected to the power outlet. So again, the best charging option would be 45 watts brick. In this case, I have it connected to my power outlet, which I think is 25. And if we plug in our phone, it starts charging, as you can see. So all you have to do again is plug it into this slot right here, and your phone starts to charge. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.